Today, I'm making a natural herbal tea using 7 simple ingredients.
First, bay leaves.
Second, cinnamon. Third, cloves. Then, honey. Orange. Lemon. And finally, ginger. This tea is commonly enjoyed for its warming and soothing qualities.
It's often used to support relaxation, help you feel more comfortable during cold days, and add a natural boost of flavor and aroma to your routine.
After introducing all the ingredients, I bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I add everything in the same order. I let the tea simmer for a few minutes, then strain it, and it's ready to enjoy.